Okay, from this underliner, this wooden plywood underliner, not too fancy, to this top tool pass first, pocket and ball. Let's get the piece of wood so we can see what's going on here. Let's preview visible tool paths. Creating the pocket. Speed that up a little bit. First pass. Second pass. We'll speed that up to get through the second pass. Third pass. Then it's going to go to the ball nose profile when it's done with this. Picking up the next tool. Here comes the ball nose. That'll make 3 passes. This is what is the top of it. 2 tool pass on the top. Now we've ball-nosed, or scalloped it, I suppose, but it's ball-nosed. Looks nice. Let's flip the piece over. Let's go to the bottom side. You don't see anything, because there's nothing cut on the bottom side yet. Only on the top side. Let's run the first 2 that I've done. Let's preview visible. Here we go. Let's get it pulled over. Sorry. This is the V bit that we're doing. Speed it up a little bit. Then we're going to move to the profile where we're going to actually liberate the piece from the cutout piece from the rest of it. Picking up the next bit, we're going to slow that down a little bit. Okay, this is what is going to happen when we need to cut it out from all of the material. I think it'll make 3 passes. Putting in tabs that we're going to need to hold it together so it doesn't fly off as we cut. Okay, so this is a underliner. That's what it looks from the bottom. That's what it looks like from the top. But we want to turn this into a thing. So what did I do? Here's what I did. Well, I looked up the client information. And as I expected, it's a restaurant. Ramirez HG, Mexican restaurant. Yep. Oh, yeah. I'd like to be, yeah. We'll become a VIP, no doubt. Looks good. That's neat right there. I love that logo. The problem is the logo is not a PNG or a bitmap. It's just, I can't figure out how to liberate it. And I worked on getting that for 5 minutes. And I thought, well, let's just do an online search. And here's the logo. So I was able to take this logo and turn it into a vector, a machinable vector. Let's preview the visible toolpath. I didn't like how it jumped back to that vector. And it'll jump back to that missing vector as well. Wonder what the deal is with that. There's two missing vectors there. Oh, okay. I went back and did them at the end. I can't say why. There you go. Now, the question is, does that look like that? Did we did good? Good. Did we do good? I'm gonna go with yes. There you go. Maybe it's the start of a big thing. Who knows?